Sarah,
I'm Donna.
and we offer high quality and affordable luxury makeup accessories. We design all of our products to provide solutions for everyday beauty related problems. Our main tagline is no mess, no stress. When it's flat, it's a matte. All of our products are brilliant for Christmas gift guides, teacher presents, girlfriends, makeup junkies, etc. We're going to whiz through the range, but if you do need any further information or any samples, please do email us. Firstly, our best-selling and 5-star rated vegan leatherette lay flat makeup bag is our core gift solution at a price of $29.95. Eliminate the need to tip out all of your makeup, creating mess and stress in the morning when time is of an essence and you cannot find that one much needed product. Our bags open out flat so all products can be seen at a glance. Also, when open, they provide a protective mat for your surface, which eliminates makeup mess such as bronzer on the carpet or lipstick on the sheets. Well known with teenage girls. Then, with a pull of a drawstring, it tidies everything away neatly. All our bags feature a red lip pendant in either gold or silver, depending on the bag's metalwork, and a fully wipeable interior, which can be thoroughly sponged and air dried to keep clean. All bags can be personalised with a silver or gold initial, depending once again on the metalwork, which creates an extra special gift for a special friend, your mum, your sister, etc. The vegan range comes in blush pink, white, red, silver, black with a leopard interior. Plus, new for Christmas 2020 is our special edition pink metallic makeup bag with a pink lip. Now, this could also be a great product for Cancer Awareness Month. Our gift idea has recently been shortlisted for the Best New Beauty Accessory Award at the 2020 Pure Beauty Awards. Also new for Christmas is our Sparkle Edition in champagne gold sparkly fabric, featuring our special edition nude lip at a cost of $31.95. This also comes in a brand new handbag size for all essentials such as lipstick, keys, a mini mirror, and it also fits perfectly in your handbag at a cost of $21.95. All of our makeup bags come beautifully packaged in their own boxes and then wrapped further in tissue and then put in a branded postal box, which eliminates wrapping, so you always receive a beautifully packaged gift. If you're looking for a cheaper option, our fully washable range of bags are available in 3 colourways at $21.95 and come presented in a useful pouch which can be used to keep brushes inside within your bag. It uses the same concept as the vegan bags, and we like to think that once you've laid flat, you'll never go back. Great for teenagers and also that awkward person you never know what to buy for. They can be used for anything other than makeup, i.e. sewing kits, medicine, nail varnish, etc. Moving on, I'd like to talk you through our accessories to keep inside your makeup bag. Firstly, our Precision Eyebrow Kit is available in both sparkly and black from $22.95, and they contain 6 essential tools for home brow grooming, which is perfect under the current climate. Each kit contains 2 tweezers slanted and pointed, a pair of brow scissors, a brow brush, 1 brow blade, and a magnified mirror which has suction on the reverse so it can be placed conveniently in good light. Each kit comes with a useful menu card on how to use the tools. Next, our fabulous new brush kit, which is currently in production and available in mid-October for a price of £32. Once again, available in sparkly and black. And each set contains 4 double-ended brushes expertly selected by Donna to cover each eventuality. Donna, would you like to talk us through?
Yeah, so we spent quite a lot of time reducing makeup brushes that people just don't use, like the lip brush and tiny brushes. And women wanted to have convenient brushes in a smaller condensed version. So we came up with a design of a double-ended brush, super lightweight, they're made of aluminium, and the perfect brushes to create any look, any makeup look that you require.
Thank you. Next in our collection is our eco-friendly makeup face-off cloth or mitts. They're like little magic cloths that remove every single scrap of makeup with just water. So great for the environment. They eliminate wipes and plastic bottles of makeup removing products, and they're made from super soft microfiber and come in a waterproof pouch. Our matching microfiber headband is a useful part of the collection and comes in 2 head sizes, in signature black and once again in its own handy pouch. Next, essential for 2020, never be without your smile with our lip face mask sets, available in sets of 2 in soft grey cotton marl with embroidered lip, and they come in their own pouch. Colourways available are red and pink or nude and berry. So a lip for everybody. Finally, we have a full range of beauty bars, which are vegan, 100% cruelty free, and are incredibly hard working for face, body, and some of them for even hair. Our rosemary bar, for example, encourages the regrowth of fine hair around the hairline lost during hormonal changes. We have 13 bars, all offering various skin benefits from acne to radiance. They come beautifully packaged, and all information is available on our website, as there's too much information to narrow down today for you. We have at Donna May London a large interactive community, and we offer a host of beauty hints, tips, tutorials and Instagram lives, often with celebrities and real women. Donna is also available for all publications to give advice in beauty or style columns. Thank you very much for listening.
Very much. Bye.